As you know, the Microsoft officials confirmed that Windows 10 Mobile is dead. It's time to move on. But this concept will become a brighter future for Nokia. So the designer Rafael Barbosa went back to the past a bit, took the Lumia 1020, and reshaped it into the Nokia 10. Why 10? Because the iconic Nokia N9 never got a follow-up, but it did get some concepts for the N10. Anyways, the Nokia 10 is clearly an Android machine, one that has a 41 megapixel back camera with Carl Zeiss and Pure View tech. There's a carbon body this time around with IP67 certification. While the backside is very much like the Lumia 1020, the frontage is surely modern. This handset will come with a 5.7-inch widescreen 16:9 display here, with an edgeless approach, and also a Super AMOLED panel. It's HDR ready. And inside the phone, and we will find a Snapdragon 835 octa-core processor with a 6GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of storage. Android 8 Oreo is the operating system of choice, and the handset keeps that canary yellow that was the trademark of the Lumia 1020. Even now that remains a beast phone in the optics area, so imagine what this newcomer could do. Anyway guys, we're not responsible or guarantee that the information on this video is 100% accurate. But what do you think about this newcomer? Let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for the latest tech news.